Welcome to Kiddo's Kingdom channel.
Hey kids, let's explore the world of colors. Can you name these bright and beautiful colors? From red to blue, yellow to green, let's learn the names of the colors that make our world so vibrant.
Red, red, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, orange, orange, purple, purple, pink, pink, black, black, white, white, gray, gray, brown, brown, turquoise, turquoise, silver, silver, gold, gold, copper, copper, lavender, lavender, magenta, magenta, cyan, cyan, teal, teal, coral, coral, mint, mint, charcoal, charcoal, navy, navy, emerald, emerald, ruby, ruby, amber, amber, violet, violet, sage, sage, crimson, crimson.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.